Hi everyone. Today I want to discuss about vitamin A. Vitamin A is an essential nutrient needed in a small amount for the normal functioning of the visual system and maintenance of cell functioning for growth, epithelium integrity, red blood cell production, immunity and reproduction. Source of vitamin A: eggs, meat, cheese, milk, liver, kidney, fish liver oils. Plant source: carrots, sweet potatoes, broccoli, spinach, pumpkin, papaya, mango. Absorption of vitamin A: retinoids, retinal ester broken down to free retinol and Fa in a small intestine, required bile digestive enzyme integration into micelle. Once absorption, retinal ester reformate in intestinal cell. 90% of retinoid can be absorbed. Approximately 80% is absorbed. It is passed along with the lymphatic system into bloodstream. Absorption is poor is case of diarrhea, jaundice, and abdominal disorder. Absorption increase if taken with fat. Transport: transported via chymomicron from intestinal cell to the liver. Transported from the liver to target tissue as retinol via retinol binding protein. From intestine to liver to chylomicron. From liver to tissue. Storage: the liver has enormous capacity to store in the form of retinol palmitate. Under normal condition, a well-fed person has sufficient vitamin A reverse to meet his need for 6 to 9 months or more. Excretion of vitamin A: kidney disease and aging increase risk of toxicity because excretion is impaired. Function of vitamin A: vision. Vitamin A is a component of the visual pigment growth. Vitamin A deficiency cause loss of appetite, slowly bone growth, affect CNS. Reproduction: retinol and retinal are essential for normal reproduction. Maintenance of epithelium cell: essential for normal differentiation of epithelium tissue and mucus secretion. Role of vitamin A in vision. Visual cycle: a process by which light impacting on the retina of the eye is converted to an electrical signal. The optic nerve carries the electrical signal to the brain nerve impulse. The brain processes the signal into the image. Normal vision depends on the retina and on adequate vitamin A. Night blindness, xerophthalmia, Keratomalacia, complete blindness, night blindness. It is visual acuity is diminished in dim light, occurs as a result of inadequate pigment in the retina. The dark adaptation time is increased, found in pregnant women in some instances, especially during the last trimester of pregnancy, when the vitamin A needed are increased. Xerophthalmia. It is the most specific BAD and is the leading preventable cause of blindness. Conjunctiva becomes dry, thick, and wrinkled. Conjunctiva gets keratinized and loses its normal transparency. Cornea become glassy and lustrous. Keratomalacia. It is one of the major cause for blindness in India. Cornea becomes soft and may burst. Prolonged xerophthalmia leads to keratomalacia. If the eye collapses, vision is lost. Other symptom of BAD: alteration of skin and mucous membrane, hepatic dysfunction, headache, drawn, peeling of skin, toxicity, hepatomegaly, increased cerebrospinal fluid pressure, disturbance in calcium homeostasis, skin excessive dryness. Therapeutic uses: dietary deficiency, retinoic acid, promyelocytic leukemia, acne. Thank you for watching my video.